What's up, y'all? It's Coach Jordan from inside the Creative Coaching Group. This has dual purposes. I'm gonna tell you, it can be used as a little shelf sitter, shelf leaner, but it can also be used as kind of a door hanger. Now, I will tell you guys the recorded version of me doing this, y'all. We actually did do this in creative coaching, so I'm kind of playing it off of both ends here. If you guys want to access this video, you can definitely check out Creative Coaching, creativecoachjordan.com to join us. This is going to be in there. I love this. This was a Mod Podge project. Definitely something out of something that I don't normally do, but I actually had a lot of fun doing this. You have a few options, you guys. You can add greenery on the front. You can add greenery on the bottom. You can add greenery on the back. So you have three options on this. You can just lean it up against a shelf or a wall or something, even hanging on a wall, and it's going to have a really great purpose because there's going to be some flowers coming out of the top of it. Okay, I just chose some greenery that I had in my pile. This is a bush that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's just a nice little greenery bush. So I actually don't want any of the stems to be seen. So I want this in the back. Okay, and we have to kind of work with it in layers. So the first layer is, and I do want to cut the stem off, you guys. I still want to try and keep it whole, but I want to cut that off as much as I can. Okay, so I've spread it out just like this, and we're going to come on in with my stapler. Okay. So I've stapled that on there. Really, really great. I already love how that looks. Can kind of move this in front of the string, the hanger. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my 60919. Now, the 60919 is notorious for having that really long piece in the middle. I don't want that long piece in the middle. I kind of just want these two pieces right down here. Okay. And we're going to kind of just mix that in. Now, it's kind of like you have to work reversed, right? So setting that in there. And we're just stapling that down. I think this is really, really great, you guys. Really quick, easy. It doesn't take a lot. Okay, so stapled that down. So we've got that greenery. Okay, so we've got our little bit of greenery coming up at the top. Our 60919. Really, really pretty. I already love how that looks. Now I do want to add this one in here. And this is going to be our taller piece. This is going to add a little bit of height to it, you guys. That's the only thing that does really kind of stink about the 60919. It has that that middle finger. That's what I like to call it. So I do have to trim that down, but I'm just going to add that in as a zip tie. I'm zip tying that together. Okay. So there we go. We've added in our greenery. Really, really pretty. I love how this looks. And I like that you can hide that, you can hide the string to it. And then I'm going to come on in with my bow. Because if you watch the one in creative coaching, guys, we actually did do this bow step by step. And there's plenty of bow tutorials here on the blog. But I had actually wrapped this around it. So I wrapped it around and I tied it. But then I cut it off because I just want to be able to staple this right on here. Just going to come on in with my ribbon. Staple that down. And I like to choose to staple it using the ribbon in the back. Not so much the ones that are in the front. I don't like using the ones that are in the front. I want the back ribbons because I'm able to hide the mechanics in the front a little bit better with that. Okay, so super simple, you guys. Not rocket science, honestly. Really, really great. Also really good craft show filler, or also something that's a really quick, easy DIY project for people. Just some greenery and 160919, and you are good to go. And you have something that has dual purposes. You can lean it up against the shelf if you want to. You can also hang it on a door or hang it on a wall. Okay, so y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that the full tutorial on how to make the mason jar little hanger is in creative coaching. That's the only way you're going to access that. But we'd love to have you. And y'all, that's all I got for y'all, and I will see y'all next time. Okay, bye y'all.